Learning video. What to do in case of fire. Nuria is cooking her lunch in the kitchen. The phone rings.
Hello. How are you?
Nuria leaves kitchen and talks on the phone.
Yes, everything is fine. Yesterday.
Suddenly, there is smoke in the kitchen. Nuria is sitting on the sofa and talking. The smoke is getting bigger and bigger. And then
Yes, the work is still the same, very hard.
the fire alarm goes off. Nuria runs in the kitchen.
Warning. Incorrect behavior follows.
She sees the smoke and panics. She tries to put down the fire with her scarf. Now she runs to the window and opens it. She thinks it's a good idea, but it's not. Don't do it. Now she runs to the toilet. She goes in and locks herself. Don't do that.
Now you can see the right behavior when the fire alarm rings.
Yes, of course. Oh, darling, I don't know what's going on. I have to leave you, okay? Bye.
Nuria keeps calm and she finishes the call. Nuria goes to the window and closes it. Nuria looks to the sign of emergency exit. This way she gets out of the building safe. Nuria is going to the meeting point. Then she calls the fire department. 112. Always follow the instructions of the building. If you have any questions, ask your teacher.